Hey boys and girls, welcome back. We're still in angle relationships here. So, we are going to go over the perpendicular lines. So this is more algebra. Generally part 2 is more about algebra. So, perpendicular lines. Let's see. Let's go to our notes. Copy this down. And then bam, let's see what we got. So the most important thing that I took out of that first paragraph in that worksheet is lines that form 4 right angles are called perpendicular lines. 4 right angles. So I know that this means 90 degrees. That's a right angle. But even though there's just one, that means that this is a right angle, this is a right angle, this is a right angle. So all 4 angles are right angles. So even though you just see one measure right there and it says it's perpendicular, make sure it says it's perpendicular, meaning this. So this little symbol here means perpendicular. So write that down. Little upside down T means perpendicular. So as long as these 2 lines are perpendicular, even though there's one little symbol here that says that's a right angle, actually all 4 of them are. So let's practice one, shall we? So I'm going to do example 1 right here if you want to see it. If you don't like my drawing, here you go. So draw this and then write the bold because I'm going to do the rest, okay? With you. Okay, here you go. So we're going to find x so that dz is perpendicular to pz. That's how you read it. dz is perpendicular to pz. That's how you read it. So in order for dz and pz to be perpendicular, what does this have to be? Yeah, 90 degrees. So that means that this angle, this is what I'm thinking right now, this angle and this angle have to add up to 90 degrees, because if they're perpendicular, this angle here is 90 degrees. Okay, so that would mean that 9x plus 5, this part here, whatever this angle is, plus this angle, which is 3x plus 1, equals 90 degrees. These are also called complementary. Now I just solve. Whoop! 9x plus 3x is 12x, combining like terms. 5 plus 1 is 6. Bam. Subtract 6, subtract 6. 12x equals 90 minus 6, which is 84. Divide by 12. 84 divided by 12 is 7. Yeah, cool. Is that what I have to do? I have to plug in or anything? No. It just says find x. Okay, I found x is 7. Boom, got it. Let's double check. Always double check in my work, see if I got it. Oh yeah, here it is. X equals 7. Got it. Okay, now let's do 1 and 2 here. 1 and 2. So copy 1 and 2 down. It looks like this picture goes with it. So 1 and 2, and copy the picture. Go. Pause. All right, let's see it. Here's my version. Right here. Notice I draw a big picture right here so that I can annotate it however I want. Make sure you draw really good pictures because that's what I'm doing in the EOC, right? So, find x and y. So, NR is perpendicular to MQ. So, this is perpendicular to this. So that means it forms 4 right angles. So this, 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 and this. These are all right angles here. Okay, oh, this is like the example we just did, right? So even though there's just a symbol here, that means that this is also a right angle. So 5x, this angle here, and this angle here add up to 90. So to find x is 5x plus x equals 90. These 2 angles equal 90 degrees. Whoop! 5x plus x is 6x equals 90. Divide by 6. 6 times what is 90? That'd be 15. Cool. Don't just let me do it. You do it yourself. You should have your calculator out, just like I do. Yeah. Whoop. There you go. X equals 15. So I got x. Am I done? Nope. I got to find y also. I got to answer the full question. Okay, so here's y on the picture. So if it's perpendicular, that means that this is also a right angle. So that means this angle equals 90 degrees. That's all I do. So that would mean that 9y plus 18 just this angle equals 90. Yeah. Subtract 18. 9y equals 72. 9 times what is 72? That would be 8. 9 times 8 is 72. I don't have to divide by 9. I don't need to do that step. Okay. So we got 1. Number 2, find the measure, which means in degrees, of angle MSN. Okay. Trace it. MSN. Oop, that's got that little step. That's how many degrees? 90 degrees. Easy. Nice. Okay, let's keep going. Let's do another example or so. Ooh, look at this. So 3 and 4. Write down this stuff here and draw this picture. Picture's got nothing on it. I guess we got to add to the picture. A little bit of variation. I think we can do it. Let's try it. 3 and 4. All right, here's my picture. All right. So I'm going to add to my picture. So this is all the stuff that's in number 3. I wrote it all down. I didn't write it down horizontally. I wrote it down vertically to help myself. So it says the measure of EBF is 3x plus 10. So EBF, this is F, right? EBF is 3x plus 10 degrees. So add it to your picture. DBE is x. Okay. BD is BD. Notice I'm tracing. You should do the same thing. Is perpendicular to BF. Ooh. So that means that these two lines form a right angle. Yeah, I know it's not, you might have to turn your paper like that, but yeah, it couldn't be on an angle like that. It's just a perpendicular line. It's just move like that. Okay. So it equals 90. So that's going to mean that this angle and this angle equal whatever this measure is and this measure is has to equal 90 degrees. So x plus 3x plus 10 equals 90. Whoop. Combine like terms. 4x plus 10 equals 90. Subtract 10. 4x equals 80. 4 times what is 80? I know 4 $20 bills is $80. So that means x is 20. Got it. So x is 20. Is that all I'm finding? Yeah, I got it. Boom. Number 4. Try this one on your own. Go. All right, let's see what we got. Maybe I need to erase this. This is why I have a pencil. EBF, measure of angle EBF is 7y minus 3. So EBF is 7y minus 3. Pencil did come in handy. Make sure you got a pencil. Measure of angle FBC is 3y plus 3. So FBC is 3y plus 3. Okay. Find y so that EB is perpendicular to BC. So EB is perpendicular to BC. Oh, that just means it's 90 degrees, right? So that means 7y minus 3 plus 3y plus 3 equals 90. Hello. 7y plus 3y is 10y. Negative 3 plus positive 3 is nothing, is 0. So I can put plus 0 here, but anything plus 0 is itself, right? 5 plus 0 is 5. 10 plus 0 is 10. 10y plus 0 is 10y. Equals 90. 10 times what is 90? Yeah, that would be 9. Got it. Okay, let's keep it going. We got one more. Why not? Here we go. Let's do number 6. Let's do number 6. So scroll down, number 6. This one right here. Pause the video and write it down. Okay, here you go. Here's my version of it. Find y, okay, measure of angle RPT and the measure of angle TPW. So I got to find 3 things. So I need 3 answers for this based upon this picture. Okay, so this and this is a right angle. So that means that if it's perpendicular, that means that that angle and this angle and this angle all are right angles also. So this plus this is 90. This seems pretty repetitive. Sorry, 2y plus 5. So let's solve this. 6y, negative 5 plus 5 is 0. Divide by 6, y equals 15. Got it. Are we done? No, no, no. I can find the measure of angle RPT. RPT. So I need to plug y, that's 15, whoop, goes right here. So 4 times 15 minus 5 is what I'm doing. 4 times 15 is 60, minus 5 is 55 degrees. So y is 15 here. Measure of angle RPT is 55 degrees. Last thing, measure of angle TPW. TPW. So that means I go, whoop, plug in y, whoop, back in this one. 2 times 15 plus 5. 15. 2 times 15 is 30. Plus 5 is 35. Bam. So this is 35 degrees. How do you know you're right, Mr. Irish? Well, you just check. This plus this should equal, these two angles should equal 90 degrees. So 55 plus 35, that equals, bam, 90. Got it. Does that make sense according to the problem? Cool. Nice job. Keep crushing. Good work.